Hey everybody, it's Super Mario Hot Wheels here, and whoa! This is our new pet bird. It's Mario! He still needs to get used to the house a little.
Yeah.
Come on, Mario.
Yeah. Come.
Well,
Come on.
I guess he likes the curtains.
Oh,
Good. Oh!
wow.
Yeah, he still needs to get used to it.
Where did he poop?
He went
Over there. Oh! Yeah, still has a lot of places to explore. So soon he'll be in the...
Okay, I'm gonna need to put him back in
Okay.
because I'm gonna start to cook.
Okay.
So back in, don't chase him.
Don't worry.
Try to get him on your hand. There you go.
Hey Mario, look at the
Put him in.
camera. Okay, we're gonna get him
We
inside.
can keep it opened.
No, because I'm cooking and I don't want him to fly in the hot
He
water.
won't.
Bianca?
But we want to play with him.
I know, but
When you're finished cooking?
yeah. Okay.
Okay.
You can leave it open if you stay here. Okay?
Okay.
Make sure it doesn't come out because if you start flying around and then just play there nice.
So that's Mario's little cage.
Just put your
He loves climbing.
Here, climb up
You can basically tell because you'll see him, he's gonna climb up stuff. Okay.
Whoa.
Bianca, just leave him.
He climbed up.
Okay. Let's see him.
Climb up me.
Okay, Bianca, can I try now? Okay. Watch. I'll make him climb up something. Watch.
No, she just wants to stay with
we don't want to stress him out, right? Because then he's gonna be afraid of you guys. So just let him slowly
Okay,
get used to
Bianca,
you
I'm gonna
guys.
stop.
Okay?
We need to watch him. No, but
Don't worry. See? Look, he's smiling. You can't really see him. Okay, I guess. Oh, see? There you go. He's climbing. Yeah. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl, but.
Boy.
Oh, so. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Thanks for the tip. Okay. There we go. Now,
Hey, buddy.
and if you can see the white, there's blue beside it. Also, that's how he would get up the bars. He would just climb. Well, Mario's going to be in the YouTube videos soon. This is our starting video.
He has a little tongue.
I know, I can see it. Hey, just...
And Sebastian, I need you to do your homework after, okay?
Okay, first I'm doing the video. I wonder... Here, I think I'll show you how to feed him. Oh! Okay.
There it is. There, Mario. Mario.
Okay, you can feed Mario now.
Here, Mario. Here's your food. Your
Oh! There he is.
Oh my goodness.
It's up there.
Mario, your
Now-
seed.
He's over there. Okay, so Mario's a kakariki. Okay, so it's not a lovebird, like I put it over there. It's a kakariki. So,
There you go, buddy.
so now we have 3 birds. And if the other 2 bird eggs hatch, then we're gonna have 5 eggs. I mean, like 5 birds.
He's so cute.
I know. Look at that. Can you move? I can't really see. Good, because we need the camera. Look. That's cute little.
You guys have to talk to him so he learns to talk. You guys keep
Mario.
saying,
Hi, Mario.
Hello.
Hello, Mario.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello, Mario. Hello, Mario. Well, let's start to talk.
well, not right away,
I
but
know.
eventually.
Eventually, yeah. It's getting used to.
Montana.
Yeah, it's gonna get used to it. Just Don't stress him out.
Don't stress it out. We already stressed it out.
And this.
Ooh, hey Mario. Hey Mario, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Hey, look at the camera. Yep. Okay, that's the end of this